guys, today's topic is how you can change your iPhone's location. I'm gonna show you the simplest way of changing location on your iPhone. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, open your App Store. We will write VPN in this search bar. VPN apps will be listed. You can choose pay or free ones. I choose an application for you that is free and the most stars. You can upload whatever you want. Once you choose an application and install, turn back to your home page and find the VPN icon. Select it. You have created a new account and sign in. Tap below when the app asks for permission to create VPN configurations. Now you can select a country where you want to, then click Connect to establish your VPN connection. You are ready to navigate Safari with your new VPN settings. Enjoy it, and I hope miracles may with you today. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.